Learn English while doing something else. Multitask your way to fluency. Too busy to study English? No problem, you can still learn while living your life. Here are 5 multitask methods to boost your English while doing something else. 1. While walking or commuting, listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. Even 10 minutes a day builds your listening power. 2. While cooking, watch recipe videos in English or describe what you're doing out loud. Now I'm chopping onions, now I'm boiling water. 3. While cleaning or doing chores, use the time to shadow English sentences. Repeat what you hear on YouTube or TV. It feels weird at first, but it works. 4. While exercising, practice vocabulary or phrases with flashcards or apps like Clapingo, or speak them out loud as a warm-up. 5. While relaxing, switch your Netflix to English subtitles or audio. You're not just watching, you're learning too. You don't need more time. You just need to use the time you already have in English. Comment multitask mode if you're ready to level up while living your life, and follow Clapingo for more. You've got this.